Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. I got February's Boxycharm right here. I'm going to open this up and show you guys what I got in my box this month. So if you're interested to see what's inside of this box, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. So Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. You pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. I love Boxycharm, and I have to be honest though with you guys, what I've been doing lately just to try and save some extra cash is checking the spoilers for the month ahead of Boxycharm, and if I see some things in there that I'm really not that interested in, I'll just cancel my subscription. I wouldn't recommend doing that because you could end up being waitlisted, but lately I've had a lot of luck with that, and that is why last month I didn't even film an unboxing video because I didn't even order the Boxycharm. It just didn't have anything in it that really interested me. So let's open this up. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay. Alright. Just disregard that. The variation that I got this month is number 3. You can see it right down here in the corner. The theme of this month's box is Afterglow. Let's open this up. I'm going to show you what I got. Alright. First thing that I got is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This does retail for $24. It is full size. This is my absolute favorite mascara that I've ever tried. I'm so glad that this came in my box because now I have an extra one for the next time I run out. The next item that I got is from Pretty Vulgar. It is their Shimmering Swan Highlighter. It looks just like this. It retails for $32. This is in the shade Glow Up. And here is what the highlight looks like. So as you can see, it's a natural looking, kind of like a champagne-y gold type shade. Please excuse this nail. I'm getting a polish change literally in like an hour. And if you were interested in seeing a swatch, this is what it looks like. Next, I got an item from a brand called Touch in Soul. This is their No Problem Primer. This retails for $18. It is full size. This is supposed to blur your pores when you apply it. This is 1 fluid ounce. I'm gonna just put some on the back of my hand here so I can feel. I've always wanted to try this primer. I just never got around to buying it. Oh, there we go. Alright. So here is what it looks like. Let's just rub it into the skin on camera together. Feels nice. Almost has like a, how do I explain it? I use the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, and that kind of almost has like a watery consistency. Really like just absorbs into the skin. As where this one, oh. Okay. I have to come up with what this reminds me of because it reminds me of something. The Benefit Professional Primer, this somewhat reminds me of that, the way it sits on the skin. And it's very smooth and almost slippery in a way. That's the best way I can think to describe it, but it doesn't have any type of smell. Actually, it's probably just my lotion. No, it doesn't have a smell, it's my lotion. Okay, next on the list is from the brand Pharmacy. It is their Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This retails for $22. It comes with 3.4 fluid ounces. Super excited to use this. I love the Pharmacy, the Melt Away Makeup Balm. I've had a really good experience with that. Let me smell this. Ooh. That's interesting. You can smell the honey, and what else is in this? Coconut, turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. Smells very herby, but a mild scent. It's nothing overpowering. It smells okay. I'm excited to use this. I've been in need actually of a new facial cleanser, something different to try, so here is this. And lastly is from the brand Trestique. This is their Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. Please don't laugh. The reason why when I opened the box I was concerned was because I thought a lid fell off of this. Look at this. This doesn't look realistic. I literally was like, oh shoot, the lid fell off, but this is a hard plastic. It's just part of the packaging. This retails for $25. I believe it's a 2-in-1 lip duo. Let's see. I already have my Pat McGrath gloss on, so I'm not going to primer inside. Oh, cute. It has a little primer on one end that pops out, and then here is the lip crayon. Let's swatch this. Ooh, wow, wow. Nice, it glided right onto my skin. Oh, and this top is magnetic. I'm impressed. Here is what the swatch looks like. Just like that. Meh, whatever. I'm not into lip crayons at all, so we'll see. Maybe I'll end up giving it to a friend or a family member. Alright everyone, I'm going to leave the total value of the box right here on the screen. As you can see, well worth the money that I paid for. I really do love BoxyCharm. Typically, they send me things that I'm very interested in, and you really can't beat the price, $21, and you don't pay for shipping or handling. It gets delivered right to your door, and I love it. So thank you so much for watching the February Boxycharm unboxing. Please, before you leave, guys, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you want, and also please subscribe. I'm so close to hitting 600 subscribers, so it would mean a lot to me for you to click that button. If you would like to also turn the notification bells on. I kind of have a random uploading schedule for the time being, but I do like to upload at least once a week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.